Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Whew, it's the last Friday. Is it? Oh no. One more Friday until September. I'm already like, hello, October. Okay, today, really quick, I'm going to show you, first of all, yes, the elephant in the room. I'm wearing crimson lip sense. You guys, I don't know when's the last time, I can't talk when I do this, that you guys had a bold lip like this that didn't feather or budge or run all over the place, end up on your lips and your chin. Let me know when's the last time, okay? Um, this stuff is amazing. This is LipSense in Crimson. You got to have it. But for this specific video, I'm gonna do my brows. Obviously, you can tell I have a full brow, a fuller brow. I'm actually, this one is finally all grown in. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of my hair here when my thyroid was out of control. And this one is still struggling here. There's still a few bald spots. So I like to go in and just even them out. Also, this side of my face tends to like droop more. So I like to pull it up a little bit by enhancing my brow on this side. So I'm so excited because I'm going to be trying a new product for my brow today. Normally I would go in the past with our ShadowSense and Onyx and Garnet. So I had to mix two together and then, use it like a pomade. It works great because our ShadowSense are budge proof, transfer proof, and water resistant. But it was an extra step that I had to take. I had to take and mix the product. So then I moved on to our Brown Lash Sense, which is our mascara. Amazing. If you haven't tried that hack, it's worth the try. Mainly because our mascara is waterproof. So it goes on again like a gel or a pomade, and then it sets, and then you have brows all day. You don't have to worry about like, oh, don't touch my brows, or oh, I wiped off my brows. So that's the awesome thing. So, but today I'm going to try one of the new shadows in our new Cowgirl collection. This is Rustic Brown. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a really deep chocolate brown, and I think it's going to be perfect for brows. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Let me crack this open. And the easiest thing to do for me when I'm working on my brows, because I have to keep dipping, is to grab some product. I already have what I used on my face today, so I'm going to put it right here. We're going to roll some product out, and that's probably all you'll need. So first you want to go ahead and comb out and groom your brow. I need to tweeze a few hairs here and there, but you know what? I'm not going to worry about it today. And then the best way, guys, this is disgusting because this brush is, first of all, it's not clean. But yeah, you want an angled brow brush, and you want to take product and just make sure it's nice and the brush gets nice and thin, like you smash it together, just make sure you get that straight little angle there. And then you just want to, I go in and I start off in the problem areas. So I'm going to start off here, and I could tell you I love this color already. It's the perfect chocolate deep espresso color, or espresso color. I think that's the proper way to say it. And you can go in as heavy-handed or as light as you want. That again is the amazing thing about our products. They are buildable and blendable. And look at that already. Look at how that just evened that side out and made it more even with this one. Oh, you guys, I think I'm obsessed. This is a limited collection. So Rustic Brown is limited, meaning it's not going to be around always. So I really, really highly recommend that you guys place your orders, whether you are already a member of this awesome makeup membership. Place your order, girl, or hit your girl up right here and I will place the order for you, because you have to have this in your arsenal. I can just imagine how beautiful this is going to be as eyeshadow. And for this video, I'm just going to do my brows. But once I'm done here, I'm going to film again and record my eyeshadow look. And it might be my transition shade as well. So I love multi-use products. I don't know about you, but I am obsessed, I guess, with multitasking. I'm a multitasker on crack. It's not always a good thing, I will say, because sometimes you can get off track. And like squirrel, you know, that's me. I get off on tangents all the time when I'm talking. So multitasking can be good and bad, I guess. But it's also when you're awesome when you are a busy woman. You know, when you're a busy mom and you don't have a lot of time, but you do want to look put together. Or what's the word? Snatched. Why not? You deserve it. We all do. We work so hard pleasing and doing for everyone else. We deserve good eyebrows. Am I right? So that is pretty much it. You can then comb through your product like this. See? And that's it. And they're not always going to be equal. I mean, definitely you can go in and carve them out and make sure they look like beast mode. But, you know, on an everyday basis, when you gotta get out and go to work, gotta get out the door, I meant, and go to work, then this is amazing. Look at that. Just go in there, trying to make sure I see and you guys see. And you just brush up the product, make the little lines. That's it. Your brows are done. So if you guys are interested, and I'm sweating always, all the time. If you guys are interested in this amazing product, it's new, it's limited collection, it's not gonna last long. I have a few sets that I ordered. Some are already claimed for, so if you want one, let me know and I will definitely send you out an invoice. If you are already a member of this amazing membership that is Senegence International, please order yours today. Do not wait on these things. This is a must-have. I love the color. I'm now going to go in and do it in my shadow and complete my makeup for today. So stay tuned for that in the next video. Bye, guys. Good morning, everyone. Again, happy Friday. If you already watched my first IGTV video, then you know what's happening. So I'm going in with our new Rustic Brown ShadowSense from the Cowgirl collection. It's a perfect chocolate brown, and I'm gonna use some cool tones because this lip color, which is LipSense by Crimson by LipSense, it's our magical lipstick that does not come off, budge off feather for 4 to 18 hours. This is technically a cool tone lip, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some cool tones in my eyeshadow today. I'm gonna do Rustic Brown as transition, and I'm gonna do a little bit of Smoke Topaz Shimmer in the outer corner to deepen the look, and then probably do a little Mocha Java Shimmer in the inner corner. So let's get started. By the way, if you haven't watched my first IGTV video this morning, I'm also using Rustic Brown in my brows. Yeah, so it was really nice. I loved it, you guys. Order today. This collection is limited edition, and we all know once they run out of certain stuff, that's it. It's gone. So yeah, order it. So let's go in really quickly. This is a Morphe M573. My other one is Dirty. So we're gonna go in just taking product off the wand. This is the amazing thing about our ShadowSense, is that they actually last a long time. You can have a tube for over a year because a little goes a long way. And I'm just lightly putting it in my crease and above my crease because I do have a hooded eye. If you do not have hooded eyes, you can just lay it right in your natural crease. If you get too crazy, don't worry about it. You just quickly hone it back in. I can't, I think I'm gonna look behind or so you can see right here. There we go. Put it right in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can go in later and buff some of the color out. I'm gonna do this side. This is probably the amount I was intending on going with, but the other one ended up a little bit darker like always. That is a good reminder for you guys. Always start with less. Our product is super buildable. The color payoff is huge, so start with less and then add some more. It's easier that way. I think in general. Take our Smoke Topaz Shimmer and I'm going to take this little brush. It's a dome brush, but it's smaller versus, so this is a Jaclyn Hill 37, but you can tell the difference. See? A little bit smaller just to really get the color precise where I want it. And again, just take some product off the wand. You can dab it on your hand on a towel just to make sure that you're not, you know, going in too heavy-handed like I always do. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. This is a shimmer color, but it's not that obvious, to be honest. It's very lightly shimmer. It's not one of our most shimmery colors. ShadowSense comes in shimmers and mattes. So there's really a variety, and we have, I think, over over like 20 colors. You can go back with that first brush and just make sure everything's nice and diffused on the edges there. Perfect. Perfect. Moving on, because if I stay and try to perfect one side, I never move on to the other side. So let's just move on to this side. Same thing, just build up your color. And of course, you guys, I'm sweating again. I turned on my air conditioner for you. For you to not witness the sweat. But it happens. I don't know why. So pretty. I'm just looking behind you guys. I have a mirror. You guys are actually mounted on my bathroom mirror, if you wanted to know. That's how I do these videos. It's the best space for me. I've always been a do your makeup in the bathroom type of girl. I know everyone's different. Some people like to sit down at a vanity. I need to stand. I don't know why, but I've always, my dream is to have a vanity one day, like all pretty Pinterested out. But to be honest, I don't know how I will feel sitting doing my makeup, because I've always been someone to stand in front of my bathroom mirror and just attack. So that would be interesting. One day we'll figure it out. Okay, next and final color. We're on time. So thank God we're in the final color. This is Mocha Java Shimmer. It is a cool brownie, like light brown color, but it is also shimmer. So what I'm gonna do, I get hot, she gets cold. Epic battle, you guys. I'm gonna roll out some product right here, and I'm gonna grab this flat, pointy, perfect brush. This is good for your crease. This is the JH41. I'm gonna grab the product. I'm trying to get close so you can see, and I'm just gonna put it right here. Right there. So pretty. And just kind of like, I flip it and I just blend out without more product. Just blend out everything, make sure it looks okay. See that? It just adds a little pop of highlight and color on that center lid. Okay, I'm adding some more, or I'm adding it on the other side, I should say. And then just blend the edges. This is so perfect. Look at that. And if you want a little bit more on the other side, I like it right in the center to like really pop. So sometimes I just put it right there in the center. See? Love, 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 love Mocha Java Shimmer. You can wear this on its own, you guys. It's not necessary with all the other colors, but this trio is perfect. Again, it's Rustic Brown from our Cowgirl collection, Smoke Topaz Shimmer, and our Mocha Java Shimmer. I am going to go in and define my lower lash line and add some lashes, and I'll be back with the final look. That's it, you guys. That is the final look. I smudged out some Rustic Brown on my lower lash and added a boatload of mascara because I love mascara. And again, Crimson LipSense, Rustic Brown Transition, Smoke Topaz Shimmer, and Mocha Java Shimmer. Rustic Brown here. I am on my face, I'm wearing Toasted Rose Blush Sense, and then a little bit of highlight in Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, which is another eyeshadow multi-use, you guys. If you want, again, to be a part of this amazing makeup membership that includes skincare and makeup that actually renews your skin cells faster than normal, then please message me. This is the month. You have until September 30th to sign up for free, and that guarantees you 20 to 50% off all your orders every month. Have a good day, you guys.